You just need to put it on that blue line. If you follow that blue line, everything will be fine.
Oh, thanks, yeah.
You're welcome, mate.
Welcome back to the series. So we started our day off in A Coruna. The weather was absolutely lovely. The sun had just come up.
Got it.
So you'll notice that the Brummy voice is back in this episode. I had some feedback on the last one and it wasn't great using the AI, so I've ditched that, and from now on the Brummy voice will be here narrating this series. We were heading off down south 160 miles into Portugal.
It's a bit fresh when you get going, isn't it? But you can't stop here. No, I'll stop.
Probably not the best place to stop.
Go.
Although the weather looks absolutely beautiful, we were both shivering riding down this road with the wind chill. Both of us moaning that actually we need to pull over and put some layers on.
Stop being a mate, we're only probably going to be travelling for another 20 minutes, aren't we? Yeah, just suck it up until we get to coffee. Are we staying here? Or? Yeah. That should be alright. Hotels. Yeah. I'm on. You on? I don't understand what happened there. I'm fluent in Spanish, for f***'s sake.
absolutely spectacular along this road as we rode down the motorway down towards Portugal. Bridge was absolutely spectacular. Trying to rush through this crazy traffic island here.
Yeah, lovely to see the boats.
trip here, sat having a coffee, looking out over the beach and the marina. Ride past this lighthouse without having to stop and put the drone up. Absolutely lovely.
You just need to put it on that blue line. If you follow that blue line, everything will be fine.
Oh, thanks, yeah.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah. We need to get going because I'm boiling.
Again, probably not the best place to stop, but we obviously had to stop and get some selfies next to the Portugal sign.
Right here, big thing.
Starting to really enjoy some twisty roads now, having got off the motorway. I'm sure the experienced riders out there will recognise my inexperience in some of these turns. As the week went on, I did start to feel much more comfortable. As a new rider, I've been riding less than 12 months now, so the whole point of this trip was try to upskill, maybe do some nice sort of windy roads on dry roads as opposed to the wet ones back in the UK.
literally before the next seat, the next seating. On the left, according to this. So, yeah, so the car park is down underneath.
So we pulled into our secure parking at Hotel Laranjeira. Really close to the centre, just a short walk down to find some restaurants and bars.